Hello everyone! Today we will be learning how to make a plus dreidel. You can use any colors that you want, but for today I have 9 pieces of neon blue, 9 pieces of neon transparent, 9 pieces of pastel blue, 18 pieces of silver, and 15 pieces of white. So the first thing we're going to start off with is making all 4 sides of the dreidel. So I'm going to go ahead and start out with the neon blue side. And all you need to do to make all the sides is just make a 3x3 square. We're all done with the neon blue side, so we're going to set that aside and get going on the glitter transparent side. Alright, now we can move on to pastel blue. And then for our last side, we're going to use 9 pieces of white. All right, now that we have all 4 sides, I'm just going to go ahead and stack them up and put them off to the side. And we are going to work on the top and bottom of the dreidel. So for the top and bottom, it's the same thing again, just super simple, 2 3x3 squares. All right, got our first, and then we'll do our second. And after we build these 2 squares, we're gonna go ahead and pop this middle piece out here. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and start assembling our dreidel. So you want to start out by taking one of our sides, and I'm going to connect it to the glitter transparent side. So how I'm going to do that is line up this part of the piece with this gap here. We're going to push that in right there. And then since I don't want 2 of the blues to be right next to each other, I'm going to do neon blue on this side. And we're going to do the same thing. Just push those pieces right into those gaps. And then to close off our last side, I'm going to go ahead and use our white and do the same thing again. Slide it in there. So now we have a little cube. And this cube is really fun too to do for a lot of just different plus builds, like a house or just a bunch of creative things you can do just with this cube. So now we're going to add our top and our bottom. And how we're going to do that is these 2 holes on either side are going to connect right into these pieces up top. So we have either our top or bottom is on, and then we're just going to make sure that this is the same way on both the top and the bottom. So we're going to do that again, and we are going to push it into those gaps there. So we're almost done, and we're just going to add the final touches, which is a little spinning part on the bottom and a little handle where we can spin it. So to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and slide in 1 white piece there, another right in there, and this will be the side that spins. So we're going to add a nice piece pointing out just like that so we can get as many spinning capabilities as possible. And then for the top, we're going to do something similar. We're going to add 1 piece right there, and another piece on the other side. And then we are going to add a piece this time, just like this. So there you have it. There's our plus dreidel, and let's test to see if it spins. Do another one. Let's see. It takes a little bit of practice. Oh yeah, that's a good spin right there. Thank you for watching.